With a super family plan, you can add 5 people. I assume that includes cats.
Grandma, do you love your cats more than me?
I definitely love saving money and getting super benefits for both of us.